Donald Trump's economic power play just hit a massive roadblock. A federal appeals court has declared most of his tariffs illegal. But here's the shocking part, they're still in place. How is that even possible? And what happens next could shake Washington, Wall Street, and the global economy. Stay with me, because this story has twists that no one saw coming. For years, Trump's tariffs were his ultimate weapon in the global trade war. Billions of dollars in taxes on imports were slapped on foreign goods, all under the banner of America First. He used a decades-old law, the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, to bypass Congress and force his trade strategy into action. Critics called it a reckless abuse of power. Supporters praised it as a bold move to protect American workers. But after years of legal battles, a federal appeals court has ruled that Trump's sweeping tariffs went too far and exceeded presidential authority. Now, this isn't just a legal ruling, it's a political earthquake. The decision throws into question whether any president, Trump or otherwise, can wield trade power without congressional approval. Yet here's the twist. Despite being ruled invalid, these tariffs haven't been removed. The court gave Trump's legal team time to appeal, and this fight is heading straight to the Supreme Court. Trump himself is already firing back. On Truth Social, he blasted the decision as highly partisan, and warned that removing tariffs would be a total disaster for the United States. His administration is vowing to take this all the way to the top, calling the tariffs critical for American jobs and national security. But let's not forget the stakes here. These tariffs didn't just ruffle feathers overseas. They reshaped the global economy, sparked retaliatory measures from other nations, and raised consumer prices back home. The question now is whether the Supreme Court will uphold Trump's vision of presidential power, or strip it away and reset trade policy entirely. Imagine the implications if the court strikes them down. Billions in tariffs would vanish overnight, global markets would surge, and America's leverage in future trade wars could be gone. On the other hand, if Trump wins this fight, it would cement the presidency's ability to reshape global trade with the stroke of a pen. This isn't just about tariffs. This is about presidential power, the economy, and a legal battle that could redefine how America does business with the world. And with the 2024 election looming, the stakes couldn't be higher. So, what happens now? The Supreme Court's decision could either strengthen Trump's legacy or dismantle one of his biggest accomplishments. One thing is certain, this is a political showdown we'll be talking about for years to come. Stick with us because this story is far from over, and the next chapter could change everything.